Hi everyone, Jason from Warrior Marketers here, and I thought I'd shoot this quick video about a new product that's being released by Adam Payne called the Affiliate Oracle. So as the name suggests, it's a course all about affiliate marketing, but it's about affiliate marketing done, in my opinion, the right way, i.e. in an ethical way, because many marketers, especially in the internet marketing and make money online niches, are not very ethical in the way they market to people, in the fact that they just promote any old crap and they don't really care about their audience. So this is a completely different spin on the way that you source your products and the way you review your products and the way you recommend products. And if you do this the way that Adam teaches in the Affiliate Oracle, then you will be working in your business with honesty and integrity, and you will be an ethical business person. And your audience will trust you more and they will respect you for that. And they'll be much more likely to buy any recommendation that you put in front of them. So let's quickly dive into the course and show you what's available. So this is the home screen here. So it's secured behind a secure membership platform, and you have the Affiliate Oracle here, and the funnel has two upsells. The first is the conversion points, and the second is YouTube Ads Mastery. But we're going to focus on the Affiliate Oracle for now. So you just click on Start, and there are all these sections in the members area. Adam's tried to break it up into logical chunks, and behind all these sections there are various videos. A lot of it's over-the-shoulder training. All of it's over-the-shoulder training. So it's basically point and click, watch what Adam does, and copy it. And you should be a successful affiliate marketer if you follow what he tells you to do. So let's just dive into a couple of the sections here. Let's go to the welcome. So you've got a welcome video from Adam here. He also shows you how to watch the videos in high definition if it's not displaying that way by default. And you go to the next section, and this is where he talks about becoming a fiduciary for your tribe, and this is where you build that trust and that respect. You don't just bombard your audience with crappy affiliate offers. You vet the offers that you're going to put in front of them, because if you recommend a product that's rubbish, then you're going to burn bridges and you're going to lose that trust. And why would people want to pick up any recommendations from you again? So this is a way of, it's a mindset shift in thinking about the way you're going to be promoting affiliate products to your list, to your tribe. Let's go to some other sections. So you've got domain, you've got choosing a niche. Obviously choosing your niche is really important. So he's got a couple of videos here. Passion and expertise, and this one about the customer avatar, which is important not just for affiliate marketing but any marketing in particular. Any sort of online marketing, you need to know your ideal customer avatar. Otherwise, how are you going to be able to sell to them? Because you don't know what their pain points are, you don't know what their wants and needs are. So this is a really important video. And some of these videos are, this video is 28 minutes long, and there are some resources here that he shows you to use when you're doing your niche research. Finding a cool domain name, logos, basic website infrastructure. This is all about, basic pages, legal pages, plugins, how to set up your various pixels, because you've got pixels for Facebook, pixels for Twitter, pixels here, there and everywhere, pixels for Google if you're going to be using AdWords. So it's imperative that you get your pixels on your website set up correctly, because you need to be able to track whatever's going on through your affiliate links. So this is actually another really important section. Twitter pixel, Facebook pixel, Google Ads pixel. So as you can see, there's a lot of information here. Again, choosing something to promote. This is a pretty big one. So you've got Google, Cpa Networks, similar web, internet marketing related offers. Let's go to Google search. And again, this is a 4-minute video. Let's go to the next section, Cpa Networks. This one will probably be a bit longer. Yeah, 6 minutes. So we'll take you through some of the CPA networks that you can try and sign up for to promote some of their products on the Cpa Networks. Again, internet marketing related offers. So you're looking at things like Pay Kickstart and probably the big two, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. All about tracking, the landing page, building trust through email. So this is a very, very basic overview of email marketing. And if you pick up the first upsell, which is the conversion point, that's a much more in-depth course that will consolidate this. It's all about email marketing and how you can make the best of your email marketing, even with a small list. So as you can see, this is a really, really in-depth course that shows you all the ins and outs of becoming a successful affiliate marketer. And Adam supports his stuff. He's a very good teacher. Said all this stuff is over-the-shoulder training, so you can just watch what he does and just copy it. He does support his stuff, so if you've got any problems, you can just reach out to him and he will be on hand to help you. But as you can see, there's an awful lot of information here, but I cannot recommend this highly enough. So if you want to have anything at all to do with affiliate marketing and you want to act with honesty, integrity, and be ethical, then the Affiliate Marketing Oracle is the course for you to pick up. If you want to have a look at the Affiliate Oracle for yourself, check below this video in the description and I'll put a link to the Affiliate Marketing Oracle in the description to this video. Okay, well that's it for this review. I hope you found it useful. Please like and leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips and reviews to help you grow your online business. And wherever you're in the world, have a great day.